In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Project Sekai loading screen. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, before I start following through with this video, I want to make a disclaimer and say that the methods I'm gonna present in this video are applicable to all versions of Project Sekai. As you can see, I have the global release of Project Sekai, so the one in English, but if you are playing the Japanese version, maybe by using a VPN, maybe through Cool app, or just because you have a Japanese device, these will also work for you. The first and simplest thing that you should check if you cannot load into Project Sekai is the status of the servers. So make sure you check any news sources, for example, this Twitter page for Project Sekai. Sometimes when there is a maintenance going on, people are unable to access the game. This page, Project Sekai English Unofficial, often posts about any sort of maintenances or server downtime that happens inside of Project Sekai. After you make sure to see if there is no maintenance going on, if you still cannot log into Project Sekai, what I recommend you to do is to go over to the Settings app on your phone, look for the Apps category, Manage Apps, and in here, open up the settings for the specific version of Project Sekai. Like I said, I'm just gonna look for Colorful Stage because I have the global version. Otherwise, look for Project Sekai in here. Now, after you open up the settings for the specific version of Project Sekai, go into the storage, and in here you will be able to clear the data. As you can probably guess, this is going to wipe out a lot of data from Colorful Stage, but this is necessary because reinstalling some corrupted data might help you to make sure that you can load into the game if there is no other maintenance going on at the time of you trying to log in. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Project Sekai loading screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.